आज भारत का कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर क्वालिटी सर्टिफिकेशन पर बहुत ध्यान दे रहा है। इससे थर्ड पार्टी क्वालिटी सर्टिफिकेशन की मांग बढ़ रही है। आज भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था एक ऐसे पायदान पर खड़ी है जहां से उड़ान भरने के लिए उसे गुणवत्ता के पंख लगाने होंगे। शायद यही कारण है कि भारत के आर्थिक क्षेत्र में प्रोडक्ट सर्टिफिकेशन की मांग बढ़ रही है और कई ऐसी संस्थाएं आ रही हैं जो थर्ड पार्टी सर्टिफिकेशन का काम करती हैं।
The manufacturer who wants to protect their brand, who wants to reinforce their quality, and who wants to have a global footprint. So we act as a mediator to those clients who wants all this to happen for their products. So what we do for them, we test their product, we inspect their product, and we certify their product. Now when a product moves from one country to another, there are different regulations which a product has to follow. You know, an Indian product cannot be sold in America if it doesn't go by the local regulatory authority. We have a knowledge what kind of systems, procedures are applicable and standards are applicable in US, say as an example. So we conduct the testing in India for the standards which are applicable in US.
यहाँ देखिए, टेक्सटाइल सर्टिफिकेशन की प्रक्रिया चल रही है। यहाँ कपड़े के सैंपल्स को उन सब पैमानों पर जांचा जा रहा है जो विदेशी बाजारों के मापदंड का काम करते हैं। विदेशी व्यापार के अलावा और कई आर्थिक क्षेत्र क्वालिटी सर्टिफिकेशन के द्वारा अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Textile is first and the fastest growing business line for us. The second is food and beverages. You name any leading player operating in India and outside of India, we are the first preferred supplier for them, because today in India the food and hygiene factors are taking the upper seat. 10 years before we never dreamt of having a packaged water, but today if we don't get a packaged water, we don't even drink water because we feel that it is no good. So we are into water testing, we are into food testing. You name any five-star hotel in India, their kitchens are inspected by us. So that's the second market which is growing for us. The third which is growing for us is electrical and electronics. Fourth, which is very important, is industry. Today, if you see 10 years before and today, India has grown in terms of flyovers, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of airports, in terms of railway station, in terms of ports. So we are very big in this sector, wherein you take Delhi Metro or Bombay Metro or Metro coming in any city, we are their preferred supplier for inspecting the strength of the pillars.
यही नहीं, क्वालिटी सर्टिफिकेशन में मदद करने वाली ये कंपनीज अपने क्लाइंट की विश्वसनीय छवि बनाने में भी उनकी मदद करती हैं।